Hey everyone, Xiaomi recently announced that on August 27th in India, it will debut its high-end Pro QLED TVs from the X series. Now, the Redmi Watch 5 Active sub-brand has announced that it would launch on the same day as well. As its name implies, the Redmi Watch 5 Active is the replacement for the Redmi Watch 3 Active, which was unveiled in August 2023. This suggests that the Watch 5 Active is the new moniker for the device, replacing the Watch 4 branding. The Redmi Watch 5 Active boasts a significant upgrade in battery life, promising up to 18 days of usage on a single charge. This is a considerable improvement over its predecessor, the Redmi Watch 3 Active, which offered 12 days of battery life. Although the specific battery capacity hasn't been disclosed, this extended battery life will appeal to users who prioritize long-lasting wearables without frequent recharging. One of the standout features of the Redmi Watch 5 Active is its 2.0-inch display, a noticeable upgrade from the 1.83-inch screen of the previous model. This larger display enhances the overall user experience, making it easier to view and interact with the watch's features, especially when tracking fitness data or managing notifications. The bigger screen also allows for more detailed and accessible information at a glance. The Redmi Watch 5 Active is the first in the Redmi smartwatch lineup to come with HyperOS pre-installed. This integration promises a more seamless user experience, especially for those who already use Xiaomi and Redmi devices, powered by HyperOS. The operating system is expected to provide smoother connectivity and a more intuitive interface, enhancing the overall usability of the smartwatch. Like its predecessor, the Redmi Watch 5 Active supports Bluetooth voice calling. However, Redmi has introduced the Clear Plus feature, which suggests improved call clarity and overall speech quality. This enhancement is particularly valuable for users who frequently use their smartwatch for calls, ensuring clearer communication even in noisy environments. Another significant feature of the Redmi Watch 5 Active is its built-in Alexa voice assistant support. This functionality allows users to control smart home devices, set reminders, check the weather, and more directly from their wrist. The inclusion of Alexa enhances the watch's versatility, making it not just a fitness tracker, but also a convenient smart assistant for daily tasks. While the official price hasn't been announced, it's anticipated that the Redmi Watch 5 Active will be priced similarly to the Watch 3 Active, which launched at $35. This suggests that the new model could be priced between $35 and $42, making it an affordable yet feature-packed option in the smartwatch market. The Redmi Watch 5 Active is shaping up to be a compelling successor to the Watch 3 Active, with its extended battery life, larger display, HyperOS integration, enhanced Bluetooth calling, and Alexa support. These features, combined with its expected affordable pricing, make it a smartwatch to watch out for in the upcoming launch. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.